All right, friends, it's Marie here at Nicole Designs, and I am excited to share that Spellbinders now has added to their monthly club kit subscriptions. They have a wax seal of the month, and you guys know that I love my wax seals. I just think they're so pretty. So I'm going to show this month's wax seal, and I don't know if you're picking up on it already, but it's kind of a Christmassy theme. So here is the wax seal stamp that you will get for the month of July. It says Joy. It's an oval shape, and it's got a really pretty poinsettia on the design here. So I am going to put this onto an envelope for you to show you how it would look if you wanted to seal up your Christmas cards for the upcoming season. I put about 5 wax beads into my spoon and I let them melt, and I'm just kind of swirling it on here right on top of this waxed cord that I've tied around my envelope. Now I will put links down in my description box to where you can find excuse me, the beads, the cords, and all of the things, so that if you are interested in signing up for the wax stamp subscription, you can see where to go for doing that. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean off my spoon. I've showed this in previous videos, but if you want to go ahead and clean it right when it's warm, it actually cleans a lot easier than if you let that wax dry. Now don't worry if the wax dried onto your spoon, cooled off onto your spoon, just heat it up again and it'll get it flowing. There is the wax seal stamp for the month. I'm going to move aside my little spoon and melt or holder thing, whatever you call it. And I have these paint markers from Spellbinders as well. This one is gold, and of course gold and red. It's just so Christmassy. So I'm going to put a layer of this over that design there. I'm being careful when I apply these markers onto my wax seals. You don't have to press a lot. You really just have to gently touch it to that raised design on that wax stamp, and it just brings out that design so you can see it really well, and I think it just adds something extra special to those Christmas cards. Now you could do this with all your cards, or you could just do it with a few for those special someones, but it really brightens it up. It really makes it special. It's special getting a card in the mail anyway, but can you imagine getting one with that beautiful wax seal on the envelope? And yes, you can mail these through the mail. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out that description box below, and I'll see you guys next time.